Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech.Bro. Have you ever wished you could grab data from a website in just a couple of clicks? What if you did not have to copy and paste anything or write a single line of code? What if told you there's tools that lets you scrap website, PDF, images and even documents with just 2 clicks? Sound like magic, right? But it's real and it's called Thunderbit. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how Thunderbit works and what makes it special and how you can start using it for free. So time to put on your silly belts, let's get started. Add the Thunderbit extension to Chrome. Simply click the Add to Chrome button. On the Chrome Web Store page, a small pop-up will appear. Just click on the Add Extension button. Within few seconds, Thunderbit will be added to your browser. You will see it appear in the top right corner of Chrome, ready to use whenever you need it. After adding the Thunderbit extension to Chrome, you will notice some new options appear on the right side of your screen. One of them is the AI Web Scraper. This is the main tool we will be using. To start scraping, simply click the Scrap button. Thunderbit will instantly gather key information from the page like URL, title, description, product details and more without you having to scroll or copy anything manually. Let's try a quick demo. I am heading over to Amazon.com where you will find thousands of product lists. I will pick one of my favorite. This pair of shoes looks good. I click on it and you can see there's a tons of details, the product title, price, color, size, weight, description and so on. Normally reading through and copy all the info would take a lot of time, but with Thunderbit AI Web Scraper I can grab everything in just a few clicks. So I click the Scrap button and within seconds all the product details are neatly organized and shown right in the front of me. It's fast, simple, saves a lot of effort and perfect for anyone who needs to collect product info or do research quickly. Here you can see everything neatly displayed like page title, page URL, product description, product weight, trusted brands and contact info. I can even copy all the data just by clicking the copy button, and if I want I can download it directly to my computer. Super easy and super fast. So that's so simple. Now let's try it with another product. I think this one looks good. Let's click on it. It's Amazon Basic 1x2 inches extra thick exercise yoga mat. That's our product title. Now once again I click the Scrap button and in just a few clicks Thunderbit pulls all the product details for me, just like before. No scrolling, no copying by handing. Let's take it a step further and test Thunderbit on completely different website. This time I will head over to the Apple website, and once it's loaded I click the Scrap button and the tool takes a little time to analyze the content. But here come to the result. Just like that I can see the page title, URL, product info, contacts and more. So as you can see, it's really is that simple to scrap any website using Thunderbit AI Web Scraper. Just 2 clicks and you are done. So link is available in the video description, so feel free to check it out. And that's it for today's video. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.